Let's continue with the ingredients. I have already shown you the chutney. So now I am going to show you the process of making this. This is, as you know, is known as Mangalore cucumber or Andhra cucumber. This is a very tiny one which is grown in our terrace garden. So I am going to use that. So I'll be using little onions, garlic, little tomatoes and the Mangalore cucumber. Let's start with the chutney. I have some chopped tomatoes, onions, garlic and the Mangalore cucumber. So first in little oil I'm going to fry little mustard seeds, chana dal, and then I'm going to fry all this and then we are going to grind. Friends, I have just added some salt, red chili powder and little tamarind pulp and I've fried everything. So now I'm going to ground it to a paste. This is the grounded paste. Believe me, it's really yum. So now I'm just going to put the tempering. So I'll just have some oil, the tadka with little mustard, jeera and garlic and curry leaves, and I'm going to pour on it, and then I'll garnish it with cilantro or coriander leaves. Tempering. Just pour the tempering. I just used some oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, little hing, curry leaves, red chilies, little garlic pieces, and I just fried it little and I've poured on this, and then I have just garnished it with some cilantro. Believe me, the taste is really yum. So guys, see you. Please try this. Like, share and subscribe my channel. If you like, let me know in the comments box. Thank you. Bye bye.